I just got this 4K action camera. It's waterproof and has a ton of features. Let's go on and see what comes out of the box. Also at the bottom, if you open it up here, you can see how there is already a pre-installed SD card, 64 gigabytes here. So you get free memory included with the price, and you can charge it, of course, with Type-C. I love the build quality of this little gadget. You can open it up here, and there is two buttons on the side. If you long press the button, it turns on 4K, as you can see. And I'm very curious to see the quality. It's a pretty good quality considering the size of this little camera, and you can attach it in many different ways. I'm gonna go on and try with the POV and show you how is the quality. This is everything you get in the box. You get the camera with a ton of accessories, one for each need. So let's go on and test it out. The accessory I'm gonna use the most is definitely this cool necklace with a magnetic attachment. So you can go on and set this up here on the body of your camera. Turn on the camera here, and you put this necklace under your shirt with these lines facing out, and just clip the camera here. Very cool POV style video. Let's go on and try it out. I love how you get a nice small screen in the back so you can see all your shots here, and you can use it both to take picture and videos. So you can just clip your attachments here. I'm gonna use this one and get some POV footage. Super impressed how easy it is to use this. And also a cool feature is definitely the fact you can connect it with your phone to see live your videos and download them on your phone, and the footage is pretty stable. Right now I'm taking a POV video, and I love the fact that I don't even film me, so you can take easy video on you, both landscape or portrait, and thanks to the lanyard you can hold it with you without any particle attachment. You can regulate to where under or more higher, and it's super easy to use. I'm impressed by all the gadgets and accessories you give it. I can't wait to start seeing the quality of it, but for the price it seems like a cool little camera, maybe a first camera for a sport lover that wants to capture the action, so I can highly suggest it.